Hello everyone, this is Kesa, GrabCAD Community Manager, and these are the release notes for GrabCAD Print 1.39. Here are the updates that we will have in this release. New PolyJet Model Settings panel. The new PolyJet Model Settings panel offers an improved design and user workflows, the ability to save material and color favorites, and to create your own colors and digital materials using the new CMYK Input feature. The group function now preserves assembly properties. When creating a group from an assembly that has scale or orientation applied, the newly created group will inherit these properties from the assembly. Fix issue with disconnected printers. This version of GrabCAD Print allows you to delete disconnected printers from your printer list. Simply right-click and delete your printers. New PolyJet waste container. We now have a clear and intuitive visualization of the waste container status of PolyJet printers. And that is all what we have for you today in this release of GrabCAD Print 1.39. My name is Kesa, GrabCAD Community Manager. Thank you for watching.